Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best S10 Parts is probably one of the most versatile and reliable compact pickup trucks ever made, and keeping it running strong means knowing where to find the right parts. From routine maintenance like oil changes and brake replacements to more involved projects like engine upgrades or suspension modifications, having access to quality components is key. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Chevrolet S10 Parts, helping you navigate the options and make informed decisions for your truck. Number 5. SCITOO Suspension Kit for Chevy S10 Blazer. This SCITOO suspension kit is designed for a variety of vehicles. It fits models like the Chevy S10, Blazer, GMC Sonoma, and more. Make sure it's the right fit for your car. The kit includes 14 essential suspension parts. You'll get upper control arms, ball joints, sway bar links, and tie rod ends. Everything you need for a full suspension overhaul is included. Replacing the suspension kit can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. It enhances handling, alignment, and stability. You'll also get a more precise steering response. Consider replacing the suspension kit every 50,000 to 100,000 miles. Installation is straightforward with basic tools. Remember to get a professional alignment after you're done. Double-check your vehicle's year, make, model, and trim for compatibility. The SCITOO suspension kit is designed to work with most factory-installed systems. Refer to the product description for detailed compatibility information. What we like. This suspension kit offers a complete solution for your vehicle's suspension needs. It enhances handling, stability, and steering. If you're looking to restore your S10's ride quality and performance, this kit is a great choice. It's perfect for those who frequently drive on rough roads or want to upgrade their suspension for better control. What people say. These parts were good value. They arrived on time and fit the vehicle as good as the original. For the price of this package deal, this is a great buy. Very satisfied with the purchase. All the parts are well designed and worked. Everything was good. I have a 98 Oldsmobile Bravada, it was all the parts one needed. Thank you. Number 4. Bushwacker Extend-A-Fender flares for Chevy S10 and Blazer. Introducing the Bushwacker Extend-A-Fender flares. These flares offer a smooth, stylish look while providing premium protection. The matte black finish is ready to paint, allowing you to customize it to your vehicle. The design adds tire coverage for body protection and a broader stance. It blends seamlessly with the contours of your vehicle, enhancing its overall appearance and performance. These flares provide extra tire coverage, safeguarding your vehicle's body. They also help you comply with local laws when using larger wheel and tire packages, keeping you legal on the road. Built to last, these flares are 100% UV protected, preventing chalking. They come with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty, ensuring long-lasting quality and peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, with minor drilling required, and everything you need is included. Precision engineered using CAD data, it guarantees a perfect fit, providing reliable protection that's trusted in the market. What we like. These fender flares add both style and protection to your truck. They provide extra tire coverage and a broader stance. If you are looking to run larger tires or want to protect your truck's body from road debris, this is a great choice. They are designed to last and come with a lifetime warranty. What people say. Bushwacker costs a little more, but the quality is like no other. Instructions and hardware were easy to use, and they look like they were installed at the factory. Looks great and fits pretty well. This should protect our truck a little better. These are gonna save a ton of money and look great. Wife had an estimate of several $1,000s to do the body on her 2000 S10. For $260 these cover most of the ugly, her wheel wells are gone. Otherwise the thing just doesn't die. Number 3. Nilight Chevy Blazer and S10 Pickup Headlight Assembly. Tired of dim headlights? This assembly provides clearer and longer vision. It helps you spot obstacles like deer or falling rocks, keeping you safe on the road. Built to last, this headlight assembly is made with fully sealed ABS plastics. It's waterproof, preventing moisture from entering the housing and ensuring durability. Designed for a perfect fit, this is a plug-and-play replacement. It's compatible with your Chevy Blazer or S10 pickup, making installation simple and hassle-free. Safety is a priority. This headlight assembly meets DOT and SAE standards. It ensures safe driving for you and other drivers on the road. The package includes both driver and passenger side headlights. Save money and time by replacing your old headlights with this complete assembly. Bulbs are not included. What we like. These headlights ensure safer driving with improved visibility. They are designed to withstand the elements and are easy to install. If you are looking to upgrade your headlights for better night vision and a refreshed look, this is the perfect option. They are a direct replacement, making installation a breeze. What people say. So I finally had time to put my new headlights in and they look amazing and have transformed the entire look of my front end. My lights are definitely brighter now, they went together really smooth and it hit and fit all angles with 2 adjustment screws. Easy install. Look great. Seems to be high quality. Perfect fit for my 2000 Chevy Blazer Lieutenant, such a better look now. Might need to adjust them a bit, but it's super easy. Whole installation took no longer than 15 minutes. Number 2. TADD Driveshaft for Chevy S10, S15 and GMC Sonoma. Are you experiencing issues with your rear driveshaft? This replacement from TADD is designed specifically for your Chevrolet S10 or GMC Sonoma. It's a reliable solution to get you back on the road. This driveshaft is compatible with 1994 to 2003 models of the Chevrolet S10, S15, and GMC Sonoma. It's engineered for two-wheel drive vehicles with a 4.3-liter engine and automatic transmission. Make sure it fits your car. This driveshaft is dynamically high-speed balanced. This ensures vibration-free operation, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride. You will feel the difference. The package includes the slip yoke and rear flange. This new driveshaft is complete, balanced, and ready to install. You can use your front section over. This driveshaft is an extended cab problem-solving CV eliminator. It is designed to address common issues. It is a great choice for your car. What we like. This driveshaft is designed for smooth, vibration-free operation. It comes complete and ready to install. If you're experiencing driveshaft issues or looking for a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. It's especially useful for those with extended cab models. What people say. This worked great in my 1995 S10 with the 4.3 and 4L60. The truck is an extended cab, so if you're wondering about length, it should work fine if you have a similar truck. Also came with a new seal and I've had it up to 80 miles per hour and no vibrations like I did before with the old drive shaft. I threw this drive shaft in today and it's totally fixed. Drive shaft was a perfect fit. Number 1. Sherman Chevrolet S10 Pickup, S10 Blazer Grille Assembly. This is a Sherman replacement part, designed specifically for your Chevrolet S10 Pickup or S10 Blazer. It's a direct fit, ensuring easy installation and a perfect match for your vehicle. This grille assembly is compatible with Chevrolet S10 Pickup and S10 Blazer models. The part number is GM1200419, ensuring you get the correct replacement. This product is made in China, adhering to quality standards. It's a reliable replacement part, designed to restore the look and functionality of your vehicle's front end. The package dimensions are 64 inches in length, 15 inches in height, and 15 inches in width. It's carefully packaged to protect the grille during shipping. The package weighs approximately 10 pounds. This lightweight design makes it easy to handle and install. The part number for this Sherman grille assembly is GM1200419. Make sure this is the correct part for your vehicle before ordering. What we like. This grille assembly is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. It enhances the look of your vehicle. If you are looking to refresh the front end of your S10 or replace a damaged grille, this is the perfect solution. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What people say. Great fitment and great quality, definitely worth the extra few bucks. Fits and looks great, no issues. Had an accident and hit a deer and this fixed everything. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.